Video we will learn how to construct an angle of 135 degree using compass and scale. For the same, we will draw a line segment, say QR. After that, by taking Q as center and any radius, we will draw a semicircular arc. This is also called as the main arc. We will mark the point of intersection of this arc and the line segment QR as point A. And with same radius and A as center, we will draw another arc cutting the first arc at point B. We will mark this point as point B. And now with B as center and same radius, we will draw another arc cutting the main arc at point C. Now with C as center and same radius, we will draw another arc cutting the first main arc at point D. With C as center and radius more than the one which we had taken for constructing the main arc, we will cut one arc. And with the same radius that we have taken from point C, we will cut an arc from point D as well. We will place the needle of compass on point D and with same radius, we will cut the arc intersecting the arc that was drawn at the last step, at point E. So next we will be joining Q and E and extend it to a point, say P, such that angle PQR is equal to 150 degree. So for the construction of 135 degree angle, it is important to draw 150 degree angle first. And after that, we will mark the point of intersection of main arc and the 150 degree angle as point F. And now with F as center as well as C as center, we will draw two arcs intersecting each other at a point, say point S. We will join Q and S and extend it to a point, say point T, such that now we have that angle TQR is equal to 135 degree. So this angle so formed is equal to 135 degree.